what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. This is episode 2, and I made myself a very titchy house. Titchy, don't know why it's so tall though. And I went mining, got quite a bit of coal, so I can make some torches. Surprisingly enough, still haven't found any iron. But hopefully I will find some today. Can I see a cave anywhere near? Yes I can. Iron and coal? Yes. Why is there already a torch down? Strange. But guess I should mine this. Finally got some iron. How many pieces is gonna be in here? Okay, got 7 pieces from that. Okay, yep. Need to craft a new stone pickaxe because it's very nearly about to break. So let's mine this coal. Actually, let's use up this first, so I don't waste any. Please like and subscribe if you are new. And Colonel Game you want me to play next? Again, like for more Minecraft. Yep, and it's out. Okay, how much coal do I now have? 31 pieces! Yes! Okay, let's keep on. More iron! And another torch, weirdly. How much iron am I gonna get from this? Dude. So much iron. I only have 15 pieces. Is there any iron left on the floor? No. Can't believe I didn't notice this amazing cave. There's even more there. What's that noise? Not sure. Dude. No way. 28 pieces. Creeper, why don't I have a dumb sword? No. I kind of jumped into that. Yeah, I need to eat. Why can't I? I can't eat. Oh, come on, why can't I eat? Okay, more coal. I'm gonna leave that for now. And I'm gonna go smelt this iron. Boing. Yay. Okay, now can I eat? Why can't I eat this? Probably... Nice, there's a little staircase. Then let's go to my very... Where's that? Half? Yeah, where's the iron golem? Did he die? Okay. Now let's smelt all this lovely iron. And my inventory is quite a mess. I'm going to keep the cobble. Might change that into bone meal in case I start a farm. I'm going to make a bow with that. Still don't have... Why do I have 64 chests? I'll keep that. I think this is glitching. Yeah, I stole a villager's bed from the... Actually, I'm going to keep this with me. Eat! Where are all the villagers? I honestly don't know. What's the point in having a village with no villagers? Well, they turned into zombies. If they were, that's bad. I mean, the iron golem is gone. I'll see you, I don't really know what to say. See you guys when something interesting happens, like my iron has finished, or I learn how to eat. See you guys then. Yeah, I made a new character. Pretty cool, I think. Okay, no, I don't want to go into settings. I finally found out how to eat, as you can see. Look, I can change it to tablet mode. Because I'm recording on a Surface and woohoo! And then www. That's so cool. Okay, I might want to sleep. I mean, I probably do want to sleep. How far is my 22? I'll leave that till the morning. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Mama, mama, me. Okay, I'll take that. Thank you very much. No, I want all. Thank you. Okay, and I'm definitely going to make an iron sword, but I need some. I got some more dark oak wood because to make my house. Like that, thank you very much. Then I need a pickaxe. Thank you here. Nicely done. And an axe, because why not? I will make some armor, because I'm pretty... now I'm gonna cook that, now that I know how to eat. Yeah, probably should have taken that out. Okay, I'm going to make armor, probably a chest plate, legs, and a helmet. There. One thing I like about my character, always wear masks these days. Don't want to get COVID. If you're watching this like years in the future, probably never heard of coronavirus. Well, you probably have, but you're probably past it. But if you're in 2020, comment when you think that they will finally get coronavirus or find a cure for coronavirus. Because I don't really like self-isolating. Kind of boring. Or, social distancing. Find it really boring. Comment if it's boring for you too, because that's the temple, and it has a big hole through the roof. Why are there no villagers? Oh, I want to take you, little cactus, because I want to have a little pet to care for, like these bunnies. I think I'm going to put you by the sun, because you're a cactus. You need sun, because all cactuses do. And then can I put you there? Yay! What should I name him? Comment down below. I know why I'm saying he needs a name. Oh, bunny. Bye, bunny. I'm gonna go explore, see if I can find any villagers, or like a village. But that's something for a new episode, so I'm gonna have to end the episode here, so please like, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Bye!